is this noise? It's a wild boar. To my mind, it's too noisy for nighttime. Hey, boar, my friend! It's too noisy for nighttime.
Well, I don't mind. Who's that there?
I'm here, high up.
Ah, owl! Is it you?
I remind you, it's late time to make noise.
Yes, of course. Owl minder. And I am a troublemaker.
I know. At the back of your mind, you are a good little one.
Yes.
Don't you mind a little present?
Oh, thank you.
Well, good. Everything is calm.